The body of former Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani, who was among the 274 victims of the Air India plane crash in Ahmedabad, was identified through DNA test on Sunday. Gujarat Health Minister Rishikesh Patel confirmed the Rupani's cremation, which will take place in Rajkot. 3 days after the Air India clash, DNA of 32 out of 270 victims has been identified and 14 bodies given to families. Meanwhile, ex-CM of Gujarat Vijay Rupani's dead body was also handed over to his family early in the morning. Rajkumar Jaiswal, his wife and baby daughter died in a helicopter crash while returning from Kedarnath to Guptkashi. The Aryan Aviation helicopter crashed near Gaurikund shortly after the takeoff, killing all 7 people on board. A 10-year-old girl from Nagpur, Trisha Bijwe, was seriously injured after falling 30 feet into a gorge when a zipline cable broke in Manali. The accident happened on June 8 during a family vacation at a tourist zipline spot. BJP MP Abhijit Gangopadhyay is critically ill but stable after being admitted to the hospital while vomiting and stomach pain. Doctor said he was acute pancreatitis with gastrointestinal infection and is under close observation. The ED has attached property worth Rs 6.15 crore in Chhattisgarh liquor scam case under the PMLA law. These includes Congress Bhavan in Sukma and houses links to former Minister Kawasi Lakma and his son. The Enforcement Directorate raided 25 places in Rajasthan and Ahmedabad in a 2,676 crores Nexa Evergreen scam. The main accused ran a Ponzi scheme and cheated thousands of investors. Tension rose at BJP Bankura office after West Bengal police were accused of breaking in at 2 a.m. BJP leader Suvendu Adhikari blamed the police for acting under Trinamool's control. At least 6 houses collapsed during digging work in Mathura Shahaganj area on Sunday, possibly trapping several people. Officials say the excavations may have weakened nearby buildings, causing the sudden collapse. A British F-35 fighter jet made an emergency landing at Trivandrum airport on Saturday night due to low fuel. The Indian Air Force confirmed it gave full support and ensured the jet's safe landing. An Air India Express flight from Hinton to Kolkata was delayed for over an hour due to a last-minute technical issue on the runway. Passengers were offered for rescheduling or full refunds, and the airline apologized for the inconvenience. Turkey has denied involvement in maintaining the Air India Dreamliner that crashed in Ahmedabad, calling the claims false. Officials said it was disinformation trying to harm Turkey's image. At least 100 people were killed in gun attack in Nigeria's Benue state. Amnesty International said the attack happened between Friday night and Saturday morning in the Guma area. UPI will become faster from June 16, making online money transfer quicker and easier. From July, new features like balance track and auto payments update will also be added for better service. VVS Lakshman will lead the Indian team's preparation for the England Test series in Gautam Gambhir's absence. Gambhir has returned to India due to his mother illness, and Lakshman is already in London with the under-19 team.